Hi, guys, today I am going to show you an amazing canvas making technique and canvas duplicating method so quickly. This is fast and saves you time. And as a bonus, I will show you how to create a canvas that fits your HD monitor size so quickly. See, now I am going to create the same canvas similar to this image. So, I use Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl N. Then you can see we are going to create the same canvas for that image. Now, hit enter. See, now we are the same size as the previous image size. 10. You can try same way on any image. Next is creating a canvas that fits your HD monitor so quickly. Just use print screen key, then Ctrl N. Then you can see we are going to create the canvas that exactly the same as our monitor screen. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel for more tricks like this.